Mystical power or not, you have no chance against a master of monkey kung fu!
That's why I'm pulling the plug. Rufus, search and destroy!
No! You'll ruin everything! That's quite enough! Stop it this very instant! I insist! I saved them all! Mystical monkey power will still be mine!
Monkey this, you hairy freak!
And the rebellion on Bernalus was given such a passing mention in the film. I wrote my own story about the battle. You can imagine the debates that raged when I posted it on the fan site, Kim.
Really?
I'm not boring you, am I?
No, go on, please. This is fascinating stuff.
Hey, want to see outtakes from Moon Beyond Ios?
The deleted footage of the Shrieker race?
We got it at the 99 Tulsa convention.
Score!
You guys are the greatest. When the chips were down, you both came through. I'm really proud.
So you gonna watch with us?
Not even a chance. Later, guys.
What? This is cool stuff, Kim. Kim?